Mandal Laws and Inheritance. SKBR College, Amalapuram, Department of Botany and Biotechnology. Paper Genetics and Molecular Biology, SIM 5A, Unit 1, by P. Trinadrav, lecturer in Biotechnology. Mendel conducts experiments on pea plant for his hybridization experiments. Plants are chosen for more genetical variations. The offsprings will be able to receive different characters for both the male and female plant parents on the pea plant. He used pea plant has a more varieties. Mendel also used on his experiments on fruit flies, Drosophila, pea plant, tomato, roots, rats, Gunia thaliana, Arabidopsis thaliana, etc. Plants has following advantages of pea plant selected for Mendel. Pea plant have small in size, short life cycle about 5 weeks, high speed production up to 40,000 seeds per plant, a very small genomic sequence 7 into 10 nucleotide pairs. Naturally, these all are self pollination. Mendel's cross technique. Mendel found edible pea plant Pisum sativa is a best material for his hybridization experiments. The plant have various characters such as stem may be tall or short and dwarf. Cotyledons may be green or yellow in color. Seeds may be round or wrinkled. Seed coat may be colored or colorless. The unripe poops may be inflated or constructed between the seeds. The flowers may have axillary or terminal position, and the color of flowers may be red or white. Mendel experiments. Mendel adopted self-fertilization technique for it. On base pea plant, he conducted cross pollination on two varieties for draft and tallness. Draft denoted small t's and tallness denoted capital T's. Pea plants used. He made observations on the offsprings of F1 generation. All are tall occurs on self pollination condition. So he noticed both draft small t and tall capital T's on second generation in their ratio always occurs 3 is to 1 ratio. That means 3 are tall plants and 1 are draft. In self pollination of offsprings of second generation and found only draft plants in third generation, but F3 generation two-third tall plants yield and draft plants in the ratio of 3 is to 1 ratio. So Mendel laws, law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment. Law of dominance. Mendel's state that one of the factor for a pair of inherited traits will be dominance and other recessive unless both factors are recessive. The mechanism of dominance. Mechanism of dominance based on chromosomes and the nature of mitotic cell division known as homologous chromosomes. That means we observe in this figure in parental generation, tall plants denoted capital D and draft plant denoted small d. In these are homozygous condition. tall plant and short plant. We observe crossing over F1 generation. Both small d and capital D are tall heterozygous condition. In F2 generation, tall tall homozygous, capital D and small d tall heterozygous, and capital D small d tall heterozygous, and D small d's draft homozygous plants are occurs in F2 generation. That means 3 is to 1 ratio. 3 are tall and 1 is small. Then F3 generation, and the F2 generation also, and then F3 generation, this crossing between those plants gives capital D tall, capital D tall, capital D tall on homozygous one plant occurs this tall character, and small d capital D tall heterozygous condition 4 plants are occur. 3 are tall and small e 1 is dwarfed. It is also 3 is to 1 ratio. And capital D and small d tall plants heterozygous condition in F2 F3 generation. Its offsprings are 3 tall plants and 1 dwarfed. And also in F3 condition, small d dwarfed heterozygous offsprings small d dwarfed. It leads to 3 is to 1 ratio. That means 3 plants are tall and 1 plant are small. Examples of dominance in animal and plants. The phenomenon of dominance is also applicable to animals. In that previous phenomenon, we also known on that slide. When homozygous black guinea pigs is crossed with homozygous white guinea pigs, then all hybrids of first final generation in F1 are found to be black. The black hybridage of F1 when made among themselves they produce black and white offsprings in 3 is to 1 ratio. This shows that black coat colored dominates over white coat colored. A cross between black and white guinea pigs. In this figure, we observe the black and white color, black male and white female, capital W and small w's. In crossing between black male, which character capital W and small w, that means black and white color occurs on their skin in F1 generation. And another side, parental white male small w's and black female capital W's crossing over in F1 generation. It occurs black female in W capital and small occurs. In those two F1 generation are crossing over, in another generation F2 occurs in 4 colors is a 3 is to 1 ratio. That means 3 are black in color, 1 is white in color. So 3 is to 1 ratio occurred. Cross between black and white guinea pigs. Dominance and recessive character in man. It is also one of the example. So in man, various types of dominance and recessive characters have been reported according to their nature of cell division into normal and abnormal and sex-linked characteristics, such that examples: hair, color of hair, color of skin, and eyeballs and eyelashes. That means we all are observe that hair curly and straight. This is also dominant character. And skin color, that also dominant character. Eye brown or blue color, it is also dominant characters. That means the parent and his F1 generation and F2 generation leads to the dominant characters such are coloration of eye, coloration of skin, and curly of hair or smooth occurred. Variations in dominance relations. Variation in dominance and relations. Incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. In heterozygous dominance alleles does not completely mask the phenotypic expression of the recessive alleles, and there occurs an intermediate phenotype in the heterozygote. This is called complete dominant. That means we observe the complete dominant example on monohybrid cross in this diagram particularly sees the a flowering of 4 o'clock plant Mother Malapis jalapa. In this plant we observe the red and white color crossing over to occurred pink color. It is also example of incomplete dominance. The fusion of red and yellow color flowers give pink color. The best example in Phorocock plant, his scientific name Marabilis jalaba, on a pure line or homozygous. White red petal indicates C1 and C1. He is crossed to a pure line with white petals. C2 C2. The F1 progeny has no colored petals, but pink also C1 and C2 occurs. It shows incomplete dominance. Its progeny 1 by 4th. Red petals C1 C2 and 1 by 4th pink petals 2 C1 and C2, and 1 by 4th white petals are C2 C2. In this diagram, we also observe the coloration of monohybrid cross on incomplete dominance in Marabilis jalapa. P1 generation, parental generation, red and white color show, and also yellow color also is there in the explanation. So F1 generation, a pink color is occurred. In F3 generation, those are two are pink color and one red and one white color. This is in the form of ratio 3:1, 1 by 4th ratio. Next, incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is form of inheritance where the alleles of gene pair in a heterozygote are fully expressed. As a result, the phenotype of the offspring is combination of the phenotype of the offspring. Parents those the trait is neither dominant nor recessive. That means in codominance character, the inheritance character exhibit recessive or dominate or suppressed. Example: the color of white red rena cross between homozygous, its result both color dominance occurs or red rena had color spots occurs on the body. We observe in this diagram in parental P1 generation phenotype white color and red color crossing between F1 generation of alleles in gametogenesis. These two are rhinas with red and white color combination spots are occurs over their body. In F2 generation, white, red, and also red color spotted rhinas are occurs. That means 2 is to 1 is to 1 ratio. Law of segregation. This is the basis of Mendel's first law, which is also known as law of equal segregation, which states that during gametes formation, the two alleles at the gene locus segregation for each other. Each gamete has an equal probability of containing either alleles. Examples of law of segregation. Law of segregation is universally applicable for plants and animals. T.H. Morgan conducted experiments on Drosophila fruit fly. Morgan crossed a homozygous long wing with homozygous vestigial short wing. When F1 hybrid mate themselves, they produce long wings and vestigial wings. Hybrid occurs in 3:1 ratio. That means We observed in this slide P1 in parental female long wings homozygous with V plus plus indicates, and vestigial with means small wings homozygous male. The crossing between on F1 generation female long wings and male long wings occurred at heterozygous condition, and then these crossing over F2 generation long wing homozygous female, long wings heterozygous female, long wings heterozygous male, and vestigial wing homozygous male occurs. In this figure, cross between long wing and vestigial wings of winged Drosophila is it 3 is to 1 ratio. That means 3 female and 1 male are long wings and one is vestigial, that means small wings occurs. Law of independent or assortment. The principle of independence assortment was explained by Mendel with the help of dihybrid cross involving characters of cotyledons color yellow round and seed shape round or wrinkle. The F1 hybrid were allows to cross among themselves. They produce types of seeds in the ratio 9 is to 3 is to 1. So law of independence assortment best example are pea plant seeds. In this table dihybrid cross we observe the pea seeds, that means generation F1 generation and F2 generation we occurs the phenotypic ratio 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1, that means color 9 are yellow color occurred and 3 are green color and 1 and 3 are wrinkle and also 1 is green color wrinkle seeds are observed. A dihybrid cross between a yellow round and green wrinkle pea plant yellow round 9, yellow wrinkle 3, green round 3 and green wrinkle 1 is occurs. So this is the Mendel experiments and laws of Mendel. For reference, Genetics Molecular Biology textbook by Mendel. Thank you to all. Presented by Trinath, lecturer in biotechnology, SK College.